Welcome to Lazy Boy Southeast. We're so glad you're here. We hope you enjoy your new furniture just as much as we enjoyed helping you. It's our mission to make sure that your furniture buying experience is exceptional. So now that you've purchased your furniture, what's next? This video will guide you through what to expect while tracking and preparing for your furniture delivery. We'll show you how to access your customer profile online and how to contact our service department should you ever need additional assistance at home with your furniture. When you make a purchase with Lazy Boy Southeast, your purchase information is saved in our database. By creating a customer portal, you will be able to access this information, track your delivery, and create service inquiries. To access this system, first, you must register to create a new customer profile if you haven't done so already. To create a customer profile, navigate to FurnitureAcademy.com and scroll down to click the Customer Profile tab in the center of the page. Here, you'll be directed to register as a new user or log in if you are a returning customer. You'll enter your first name, last name, at least one phone number, and an email address. Your phone number and email address will be used to find and access your order history. You'll have the option here to select your preferred communication method. Next, enter your delivery address and billing address if it is different than your delivery address. Finally, select a password and click Register. After clicking Register, you'll be redirected to a confirmation screen where you then need to check your email for that confirmation. This email will be coming from FurnitureAcademy.com. Be sure to check your spam folder just in case. Click the link in your activation email and then log in with your newly created credentials. It's important that we note that it may take a few days for your information to populate into the customer portal. We will begin populating delivery details into the system once we have received these manufactured items into our warehouse. When we begin to have ETA on your items, expect to receive additional communication from our team. With Lazy Boy Southeast, your furniture delivery is a professional process that begins with communication from our team when you make your purchase all the way until your furniture arrives in your home. Here's what you can expect in the communication you'll receive from our team. When your items have arrived and are ready for delivery, you will be notified for partial or full delivery. You will be prompted to select a day of delivery based on what days our team is available. Once you have made your selection, you'll receive confirmation on the final date we have approved for delivery. We will then contact you to make sure your delivery address is correct. The day before delivery, we will notify you of a 3-hour window time that you can expect our drivers to arrive. On the day of delivery, your driver will contact you when they are en route to your home. A major advantage to purchasing furniture from Lazy Boy Southeast is that our service department is local and available to respond to your needs. Contacting our service department has never been easier now that all of your information is saved through the online customer portal. By logging into your customer portal, you can access previously purchased furniture. To do so, navigate to FurnitureAcademy.com/login. Once you log in, your sales order history will show on screen. Navigate to the ticket with the item you would like serviced. Select the request service on this item to launch your service request form. This form will pre-fill with your information and is designed to walk you through the steps of identifying and fixing your solution. We even have helpful tips that can sometimes resolve your issue during the process without even needing to complete the service ticket. Once you have submitted the form, you can immediately see your service ticket. From here, expect a follow-up from our service department to finalize the completion of your unit receiving service. On FurnitureAcademy.com, you'll find that in addition to accessing your customer portal, we may have many other resources available at your fingertips. We feature product reviews, best-selling lists, shopping insight guides, and answers to many frequently asked questions. The search bar at the top corner of our website is designed for you to search by category or type in a question the same way you would on Google. If you don't find what you're looking for, you can also contact us through our website, and we'll be happy to answer your questions. Here at La-Z-Boy Southeast, it's our mission to make sure that you receive an exceptional experience throughout your entire furniture buying journey with us. We're so thankful for you, and we're here for you when you need us. We invite you to stay in touch with us through our website and social media channels, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Welcome to the La-Z-Boy Southeast family.